Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel W1 Tech. So guys, today video we will talk about how to put your how you can add your profile. Best way to add your profile detail in Facebook ID. So here when you click your profile ID, then you can see your profile. Here you add your upload your picture, profile picture, and after click on it, add cover photo. Then you can add your cover photo, like choose from cover photo and upload photo. After this, you come here and see intro, add your bio. Okay, here you can add your bio, like I am digital marketer. So okay, then click on save. So next, again you can add your bio, and here edit detail. You can add your add pronouns. Okay, and then work. When you if you have work in your office, then click add a workplace and enter detail of your office, like add workplace company. If you have company like some as so bank. Okay, bank of. Okay, here is the position like manager, branch manager, and here is city and town. Here you can put any your city and town, like Sargodha. Here you can add your description that I am branch manager in Bank of Baroda. So after this, you can add here any, like if you want any help, then contact me. So on as you want to add your. So here you can enter your time period, like year 2025, 2024, 2023. Here I 2021 month. Select any month. So click on save. Here add your college. I like school, Spear College. Superior College. So here you can again put your year, like month, June, day 6 to year 21. Again put your month, like May, day 4. Here you again add your description and so on. So here place lived. You can add your page lived, your current city, and add hometown, add your city. Okay, as you want to add your information, here is contact and basic information, and here is family and relationship. Add your relationship status, like you are single, married, in a relationship, engaged, in a civil union. So I put on single. Here you can add your privacy, like public, friends, only me, custom, and so on. add family member. Here you can add your family member in relationship like so here relationship like your mother, father, daughter, son, so on. Again you can here add your privacy. So guys, I hope so you like this video about how to add your profile picture, hide section, edit privacy, and so on. So if you like this video, then must subscribe my YouTube channel W1 Tech.